I chose to attend cosmetology at BOCES because I've been passionate about doing hair since I was in middle school, and I'd like to continue on with that passion and make it a career.
Cosmetology program is very unique because students get to be creative. They meet students from other school districts and they get to work in the workforce right after graduation.
This program has helped me reach my educational goals by teaching me new things every day. I would recommend this program because it is a fun and interesting way to learn things.
I really enjoy coloring hair. It's my favorite thing to do in this program.
The best part about this program is learning new things about hair every day.
I would describe cosmetology as a great opportunity for students to come from high school, go into the program and learn how to communicate with each other, work on different hair types, and be very creative with their work. Cosmetology is a meaningful profession because you're giving back to your community. You're working on people, you're making people happy every day.